Hello everyone, welcome to another record review. Today we are reviewing Ozzy Osbourne, Blizzard of Oz. Ozzy Osbourne, Blizzard of Oz, very good album. It has, I don't know, Crazy Train, Goodbye Romance, D, Suicide Solution, Mr. Crowley, No Bone Movies, Revelation, Steal Away the Night. Very, very good album. This one really surprised. This one found this at Third Eye, and this one is a 30th anniversary. The sticker's still on it. Found this at, like I just said, Third Eye. Can't really believe what I find at Third Eye now. Third Eye's had some older stuff recently coming in, which is pretty cool. But anyways, thank you all for watching. Very good album. Listen to it. Goodbye.